In this video, we're gonna show you how to make Robinhood Cash account. First, visit the Robinhood Cash Card website. Go to www.robinhoodcashcard.com. Then sign up. Click on sign up now and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, open your spending account. Once you have signed in, you will have access to a Robinhood spending account. Then download the Robinhood app. You can download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store or use the web version. Then set up direct deposit. You can have your paycheck or government deposits directly deposited into your spending account for easier management. And the last one is link your bank account. Link your existing bank accounts to transfer funds between your Robinhood accounts. So that's how you can make Robinhood Cash account.